Hey, this will be a video chart on QSGIQ. Did this one a few weeks ago. These lines you see are some of the leftovers from the last time I did the video, and it's really gone through a nice consolidation, and now the bulls have come back to town. Not that they have really left, but they're starting to push back upwards. You can see here massive volume bar, and the price reacted accordingly. So really just firing on all fronts. And the most impressive thing, like I said, was pretty much the consolidation as far as I'm concerned. Plenty of penny stocks can run up and make big moves, but they never can really put in healthy consolidations. Not the case for this one though. Really did do a good job of consolidating, and now it's reaping the rewards of having a higher base built. So that's where I'll start out. Like I said, these lines were from the last time I did it. They're just simply coming from previous highs, so I'm guessing that this was probably the last day I did it. But like I said, these were the previous resistances. They were broken. They became supports, and you can see that, assuming that this was the last day I did it, which I'm pretty confident it was. So we had this big volume bar here. Sorry, I keep pausing, but I'm just kind of figuring out whether or not, because I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty confident that was the last day. But anyways, let's just pretend it was, even if it wasn't. But you can see a big volume bar here. The price reacted accordingly. Now let's go through the sequence of things, and this will make kind of a great little example of how a healthy consolidation looks. So you had big volume, big price reaction, had a red day. Okay, that's fine. It still maintained the support level. Volume dropped off. All's good. It dropped down some more. Volume dropped off some more. Maintained the support. Still healthy. Another red day. Volume wasn't anything drastic. Maintained. Still healthy. Pullback day, volume increased, but by no means was it anything like this on the breakout day. But the most important thing, support held. Another day here, price dropped, just a real low volume day. So probably some games up here. Reacted nicely, volume staying low. Reacted nicely, volume staying low. Once again, another consolidation day, low, low. You get the point. And then today, price shot up and volume came pouring back in. So just a great little example, real world, example of consolidation. Textbooks are great and all that stuff, but when you can see something like this unfold before your eyes, those are the best sorts of examples to really kind of learn from. So now what needs to be done? Not really too much. It does deserve an update, so that's what I'm going to do. But in terms of resistance levels, it's basically in a blue sky breakout territory. So for support levels, I'm just going to get rid of this one now. And I'm going to get rid of this line too, and I'm going to replace this line. Remember, if you watch, this was the must-hold support level. I'm going to replace just the new must-hold support level with simply the 50-day simple moving average, which right now is valued at 16 cents. And the reason I say must-hold is must-hold levels pertain to the overall chart and the overall trend. And as long as the price can stay above this moving average here, then pretty much the overall trend is going to remain bullish. I could say the 200-day, but nobody wants to see it drop all the way back down there. So for the must-hold level, the 50-day, hopefully won't even get tested. But for you longer-term players out there that are concerned with the overall chart, this is your key level of support. The newest level, kind of an ideal support level, is going to be up here at 0.345. This was just simply the previous level of resistance. It is now a support. I'm going to leave it skinny because it's ideal. It doesn't have to hold. Preferably it would. And then also 25 cents down here is going to be another level of resistance that hopefully is able to hold like it's been. It's been doing a good job. So if this level can't hold, then you definitely don't really want to see it fall below 25 cents, or else it probably will come down here and visit the 50-day. But overall, these are going to be your support levels. Like I said, in terms of resistance levels, as far as I'm concerned, the chart is in a blue sky breakout territory. You might be able to say that this level back here at 37.5 cents is a resistance, but as far as I'm concerned, blue skies right now. So use your gut instincts. You're not going to have any really resistances to go by, but I'm sure nobody's going to really complain about having a blue sky breakout. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was QSGIQ. Thanks for listening.